Hello students, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the interactive whiteboard on Big Blue Button. When the presenter clicks multi-user whiteboard, you will be able to see a toolbar along the right hand side of the whiteboard. Here you will find tools, undo annotation, clear all annotation, and the user whiteboard if you are presenter. The undo annotation and clear all annotation are just to erase anything that you have marked on the whiteboard. Clear all means to erase all that you have placed on the whiteboard. For today, we're going to look at just those tools that make lines, circles, rectangles, or triangles. So we'll look at the rectangle first. So click on rectangle and you can choose a color. So to make a rectangle, you right click, hold, drag and draw. Release. Again, right click, hold, drag, and draw, release. So if I want to undo just those, I click on the arrow, undo annotation. And we'll go to, we won't do the triangle, we'll do the circle. So for the circle, this is how you might use a circle. To circle the correct word if the teacher asks you that. So we're going to right click, hold, drag, and draw. This will take some practice to be able to circle the word. Don't worry, we'll have lots of time. There is also the line tool. So the line tool you use the same way, but you can use it to underline a word. So you're going to right click to the left or right of the word, hold, draw, release. I hope this is helpful.